मराठीत हो. आज मला इथं बोलून माझा सत्कार केल्याबद्दल मी आपल्या सर्वांचा अत्यंत आभारी आहे आणि इथं उपस्थित सर्व स्टुडंट्सचा मी वेलकम करतो. बाहेरचे जे कॉलेजेस झाले त्यांचं सुद्धा वेलकम करतो. And now back to English. I just want to wish all the contestants, all the colleges, all the best, and may the best college win. And we, being part of RGIT, will support everyone here and will cheer for everyone. Right, RGIT?
Thank you, Ritesh. Thanks for calling me here. माझा मराठी खूप छान नाही आहे, मला मराठी माहीत नाही आहे. पण माझी बायको महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे आणि ती मला शिकवते. But nice to be here. It feels really nice because it's like coming back to college and I still love being there and looking at the shows that happen. I want to go and sit there and watch it. So all the best for the performances. We wanted to come for the fashion show. We really wanted. I love watching fashion shows in college, and nevertheless, we like dancing as well. So we'll be here and cheer for you guys. All the best, you guys.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.